Oh my God, Rakesh, you're here.
That was.
Hello. What's up? So we're finally live. I cannot hear Rakesh. How are you doing, Rakesh? How are you?
You're looking nice as usual.
Thank you. You're looking nice too. Oh, Akku's online.
I can't see any messages though.
They're all down. See? They're all coming up down.
Cool.
Well, Sharian? Huh? Sharians. 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 Where are all the Sharians?
Okay, so should we start doing the questions that we had asked yesterday?
Yeah, so a bunch of people have sent us a lot of questions. So I think we'll just take up some of them and answer.
The first and the most popular one, please tell Rakesh to participate in BB15.
Rakesh, do you have anything to say about that? A lot of people want you to participate in BB15 and I am going in. So what do you have to say about that?
What do you have to say? I have nothing to say actually. बिग बॉस में जब आया था ओटीटी में तो लगा नहीं था कि मैं कर पाऊंगा इतना, पर अभी कर लिया। अभी मुझे लगता है कि ये मेरा थोड़ा टाइम आउट हो गया, इसलिए मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि शायद ना हो। तो लोग चाहते हैं कि मैं आऊँ, तो पता नहीं क्या अभी मैं थोड़ा सा, जैसे मैं बिग बॉस में था ना इंडिसिसिव, में अभी भी ऐसा ही हूँ। तो बेसिकली जो घर में हुआ वो बाहर भी वैसे ही हो रहा है मेरे साथ।
आपके सारे फैंस आपको बोल रहे हैं कि आपको आना चाहिए।
चलो मैं सोच के बताता हूँ मेरी।
One habit of Rakesh that irritates you a lot.
One habit
of Rakesh.
One habit of Rakesh that irritates me a lot.
Everything, I think.
I think you drink way too much tea. Way too much tea. You need to cut down some of the tea. Some of the tea intake.
I will. अभी तो इतनी मिलती नहीं है चाय जितनी बिग बॉस के हाउस में बनती थी।
हाँ?
घर पे इतनी मिलती नहीं है चाय जितनी बिग बॉस के घर में मिलती थी।
Okay.
Shamita, you'll make, but I don't want to have black tea.
I know how to make that adrak wali chai, okay? With all those 1001 masalas that go in. Just to let you know. I made it once also for you. नाम खराब करके रख दिया तुमने मेरा.
और क्या?
Varika
you
come together in BB. Ria. See, Sangeeta is also telling you, please come to, please go into Big Boss 15. Okay, what's the next question?
Next question, ma'am, आप और राकेश सर के पिक्स और रील्स कब आएंगे इंस्टा पे?
हमारे पिक्चर्स और रील्स कब आएंगे इंस्टा में? We'll put up something soon. I think मैं राकेश से क्या दो तीन दिन पहले ही मिली हूँ। वो बहुत बिजी थे, वो अपनी फैमिली को देखने गए थे पूना में, and just about met. So yeah, we'll get to it soon. What say, Rakesh?
I think we'll do it now soon. एक दो दिन में बहुत सारे आ जाएंगे रील्स।
Rakesh, you look very innocent. Somebody has just said you look very innocent. He's not that innocent, yeah?
I'm very innocent. I'm like when you scratch an angel, you'll find a devil inside.
Exactly.
The next question is for Rakesh. Do you watch Korean series?
Rakesh, do you watch Korean series?
Shamita, you told me to come home and watch. We'll watch it together. So let's do it. What say?
Really? Okay. Okay, let's do this. Love from Nepal. Hello. Are you in a relationship, Shamita? Really? कौन पूछ रहा है? Okay, what's the next question?
The first thing you both noticed and found attractive about each other.
The first thing we noticed and found attractive about each other. For me, it was Rakesh's simplicity. That's what attracted me to him. Rakesh, what about you?
I think Shamita is very जो वो है वो दिखता है तो
He's frozen on my screen. Rakesh is frozen on my screen. Okay, Rakesh is frozen on my screen, but I can still see all the comments. Sushil, hello, Maria. Okay, Rakesh is left. Sujit Khojare, where is he? I know, मैं भी खोज रही हूँ. कहाँ है? वो चले गए.
Somehow just compliments. They're very happy to see you two together.
Thank you so much. Thank you for all the love you all have sent our way, and it's such a beautiful feeling. I think when we came out of the house, we were really shocked with the kind of love and adoration all you guys sent our way. And Shara, I think people now call us Shara. They don't even call us Shamita and Rakesh. They call us Shara, and I think that's so cute. Thank you guys.
A favorite memory with Rakesh and Bibi?
My favorite memory with Rakesh and Bibi. There are so many memories actually. I think the one that will stay with me always is the times we spent at outside in the garden area. We had this long table. We would sit there and carve some stuff onto the table and do our little artwork together, and that was like our thing in there, our moment together. So, oh, where did you vanish? Welcome back. So I think, yeah, I love those moments when we used to sit out and do those little carvings on the table. That was like our thing in there. So they asked us what were our favorite moments in the house. So that was mine. What is yours, Rakesh? I used to love to spend that time with you out there at the table when we used to do our thing. I can't hear you.
क्या बोलते हैं उसको those carving tools वगैरह कुछ होते नहीं थे हमारे पास, याद है? So we used to like create our own tools. We used to go to the kitchen
and spoons,
knives, and what cuticle remover also we used once.
Yeah.
Remember? That was funny.
Make the best of whatever we could find.
Make the best of whatever we could find. It was fun.
We can't hear Rakesh. Rakesh, I think there's something wrong with your phone. Just check your volume.
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you now. Shara, please सुनो. Asmeet, yes. आप क्या बोलना चाहते हैं? आप अभी भी नहीं सुन सकते हैं? Can you hear Rakesh? Now, Rakesh, just say something.
Hello, hi. Can you hear me? Guys, can you hear me? If you can't, just let me know.
Okay, what's the next question?
What is the best way you motivate each other?
What is the best way we motivate each other? You want to take that, Rakesh?
What's the best way? What?
We motivate each other.
I think just by being with each other, I think it's just quite motivative. motivational rather. We are. I think our conversations are. I think it motivates us any which way. Just having to talk to anything in the sun is the best thing that we do. So we don't need to search for topics to talk over. I think we have enough of topics to just like connect anytime, same place, kind of sort. So I think every talk of ours is like motivational. I think we really enjoy talking to each other on anything under the sun, right?
True. I agree.
Okay, so this is a rhetorical and it's a very popular one. Did you know Shara trended not only in India but also in Pakistan in the last few days? A lot of
Really?
times.
How lovely. I didn't know
Yes.
that. Thank you. Thank you so much to all our fans in Pakistan. Thank you for all the love.
I knew because I have a lot of fans. I've been getting a lot of requests from Pakistan, and they're lovely people there. I mean, they've been showering me a lot of love right from my Tumbin time till TV to the series that I did, and till now till Big Boss also. So thank you so much, guys. Love you.
So this is for Shamata. Are you sure you are the Joey who doesn't share food?
I was always the Joey that doesn't share food, but that clearly changed with Rakesh. I tend to share my food with people I really like. Ritika Pandey, Swati, thank you all for your compliments that are pouring in. Zashar Rehman from Pakistan, Arya, Kavya. Thank you all. Thank you all for such lovely comments.
So next question is for Rakesh. If Rakesh had to paint something with, had to paint you with something, what does he visualize? Where does he visualize painting you?
You want to take that?
That's a very naughty question, by the way. I think I would like to paint her standing by the beach in front of the sea, like sea in front of her, and then like breeze brushing through her hair, and like maybe a flowy dress. I think I would like to capture her standing on the sand, looking at the beach, looking at the sea.
Oh, that's beautiful.
3 words from you, Shamata, that describes Rakesh perfectly.
Deep, passionate about everything he does, and I want to say introvert. I want to say introvert. Yeah.
Okay, so I have a similar thing for Rakesh also. Rakesh, how would you describe Shamata?
Warm, cute, very caring. Yeah, there are 3, but there are many actually. I can't fit only 3. I think she's a superhuman being.
So we're getting a lot of messages from Sri Lanka, Indonesia, from Pune, Pakistan again. Hi guys. I hope you're going to watch the next Big Boss, that's Big Boss 15 on Colors, because I'm going in. Rakesh Bapat is still thinking about it. Okay. I'm hoping that he decides to come into the house. But all you guys who have supported us, you all please continue to support us while we're in there, and keep sending us your love. Alyan, Pranay,
By the way,
Akansha.
I think I need to. I think we are done with the session, I guess. So I've got a surprise for you guys. I want to show you something, which is you might just enjoy. So it's a tease. So
Oh my
podcast.
Okay, now we're gonna echo, so we're gonna have to switch off.
So I'm going to switch off mine.
Yeah. Sign out from yours. I'm gonna sign out from mine as well.
Okay,
No? We'll have to leave the chat. Yeah. So guys,
You'll have to sit somewhere.
come sit here. We will sit there and.
So finally we're here.
Hello, everyone.
How are you
Say
guys? I can just turn the camera around. So yeah, now we are together. So any questions? Shoot directly.
Nice, Jody. Harshu. Thank you. Manisha Pandey. Samiksha. Neha Glitz. You knew it, really? Please, song, please, new song. What song? Love you both. Nice surprise, Johnson. Love you guys. Medha Nayak.
Yeah, guys, I have to tell you the number of requests and the kind of messages that we have got is like overwhelming. Yeah, thank you so much for everything.
Grewal Inderjeet. Ring Light Entertainment. Cookielicious. Are you guys stay together? No.
Right now we are for the interview, nothing beyond that.
Nandini, I'm not reading out what you've written there. Nashra. कोई song करो. कोई song करे.
कोई song करें मतलब? अच्छा, together. Yeah, we will. कोई
अच्छा
offer
वाला
के
आएगा
तो कोई
तो
offer
हाँ,
के तो
करेंगे.
100% करेंगे.
Please take care of our Raka.
Ah.
I will. Prachi. When are your pets meeting?
Our pets, when are pets meeting?
You have a dog, right? You don't have cats
Yeah.
anymore.
But I met your cat.
Yeah.
Phoebe, you have to meet Phoebe. She's so cute, so cute. I can eat her. She is so edible. She's got blue eyes and she's so active. My God, she's like
She's hyperactive.
She's hyperactive. She just can't contain her energy.
Please come to Big Boss Rak. See, Kalyani is saying, please come to Big Boss.
Yaar, I'm thinking honestly. Let's see. You think I should come to Big Boss? Really? You saw me how I was, and you really think I would do justice to the Big Boss as a show? Yeah.
Sumega, I'm not reading out your comment either.
A very popular one. What would be your favorite destination to holiday?
What would be our favorite destination? I'm going to try like a new place.
किसने बोला राकेश कुछ भी खा सकता है, कैट भी खा लेगा अभी.
Oh God!
Good one. नहीं यार, मैं ऐसे नहीं करूँगा, मैं मजाक में कह रहा था. Don't take everything seriously, literally. Favorite place for me, I think Maldives is my favorite. I think, or any hills. I think Himachal, India में Himachal, the hills, the mountains, because I am a trekker. So मुझे कोई भी ऐसी जगह चलेगी जो.
मुझे रूम सर्विस चाहिए, लेकिन मैं कभी टेंट में नहीं रही हूँ. ये कैसे करते हैं?
टेंट में रहोगे, बहुत कमाल का एक्सपीरियंस.
Really?
Yeah, it's.
अच्छा, न्यू एक्सपीरियंस होगा.
तुम्हारा क्या है? तुम्हारा फेवरेट क्या है?
There's so many places that I want to visit. I think the Amalfi Coast, definitely want to go there. There's like a long, but I love Maldives. That's one of my favorite destinations, and get a chance to scuba dive there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so Maldives.
एक बार स्कूबा डाइविंग की थी मैंने without training. मैं तो डूब गया था, मैं मर गया था. मतलब I was so suffocated. I was like, shit, I'm going to die, I think. So then later I took a training and then went.
You can scuba dive though, right?
Yeah. Now I can. I previously I couldn't.
Thank God.
What do you both miss the most from the BB OTT house?
So the BB OTT house.
I think everything, mostly all the people, जब वो जितना भी झगड़ा किया वगैरह सब कुछ किया हमने, पर कुछ लोग हैं जो we still connected and हम उनकी conversation हम मिस करते हैं बहुत, जो मस्ती मजाक होती थी वहाँ पे बिग बॉस हाउस में, और वो टेबल जहाँ पे हमने कार्व किया बहुत सारी चीजें. आई होप तुम जब जाओगी तो वो टेबल मिले तुम्हें वैसे ही.
तुम भी आओगे ना, तुमको भी टेबल मिल जाएगा वहाँ पे. बट आई थिंक फॉर मी इट्स जस्ट waking up together, us just going to sleep together, all of us. I mean, it's just having him around like 24/7. I miss that, It became a habit, I think, for 6 weeks. Just having you around there. I think I took it for granted. I do miss you now. It's annoying.
I'll support you from outside.
So that was the next question. That if you don't go, would you be supporting her and how?
Of course, I will be supporting her. I will be her army outside. So,
One man army.
One man army. Shamita's tribe. Hashtag Shamita's tribe.
Love from Uttarakhand. Okay, guys. So we're gonna say, I think we're gonna.
Yeah. Tata, bye bye, goodbye.
Tata, bye bye now.
And we'll join you soonest, whenever we get the time. Now we won't get the time. She's going to go in.
And he's gonna join me in.
No, that's not sure. But yes, anyway, we'll connect soon, whichever way possible.
Thank you, guys. Though,
Love you
all.
guys.
Love you.
Take
Mwah,
care.
mwah, mwah. Stay positive, stay blessed always, and see you soon.